guys, it's Glowtren, and today I'm going to show you tips and tricks of how to get your press-on nails to last longer. So if you like how my nails look in this short clip right now, keep on watching. So I bought this very cheap set of press-on nails. I think it was like £4 or £5, and it has some nail glue included, which is a good start. So actually it doesn't matter what type of nail glue you buy, you don't need to buy a really good quality one, just as long as it is kind of like a glue in a tube, or a nail glue in a tube actually, I should say, because my biggest tip is actually the prep is the main part that will actually make your nails last longer. So just another tip is actually making sure you're picking the right sizes for your press-on nails. So I always find it helpful to kind of put them in the line so I can see the different sets, so that I kind of know that I'm picking the correct size for each hand. And so here I'm beginning to prep my nails. So this one doesn't completely affect your press-on nails, to be honest, but I just like to move my cuticles out the way. Now this part really matters. So you're gonna want to file off very lightly the shiny part of your nails. So basically you're just buffing your nails, which is hopefully getting rid of a very small like oily layer, so that when you do put the glue down, it will actually be able to stick properly onto your nails without oils affecting it. And that's how they look. As you can see, they've been buffed. Next I'm going to take a nail cleanser just to remove whatever other gunk is on my nails. And also make sure you clean off all the dust that came off your nails when you were buffing them. So the next thing that I really recommend that you use is a nail dehydrator. So the one I'm using is the Gelish pH bonder, and that's just going to make sure all the oils and whatever liquids that might mess with the glue are gone from your nails. And then you should be good to go on putting the glue on your nails. So kind of my next tip to you is actually, it's better to put less glue and then just keep adding slightly more glue if you need as you go along, because if you have bits that seep out on the side or whatever, your nails might actually lift up. So you're going to want to put a very small little circle of glue and just move that around with the little glue pipette thing. And then do that on the press-on nail as well, which I'm showing you here. So it's just a very small amount and just rubbing it around basically. And then just press that down for the time that it says on the glue bottle. So as you can see, I had a bit of trouble at first sticking that one down. Just as long as you put light pressure on it, it will eventually stick down. So some of them might be a bit difficult at first. But as you can see, it's perfectly fine now. So now I'm going to do that for the rest of my nails. Oh, and another tip actually is don't do your thumbs until the end, just because it's really hard to stick on your other hand when your thumb is already done, especially if it's like your nail was super long like the ones I'm actually wearing in this video. There we go. The last nail is on. And these are my final nails. So hopefully these tips and tricks help you get your press-on nails to last longer. And now this next bit isn't any like tricks to get them to last longer, but this is just my preference because these nails weren't very shiny. I'm just going to add some gel top coat on top. So you can actually customize your press-on nails, but obviously that would chip, like, you know, your gel manicure might, for example. And I'm going to show you the difference at the end of how it looks with a gel top coat and without a gel top coat. And for anybody who's wondering, I'm using the DND Top Coat, and this one is no wipe, so I don't need to wipe it down with alcohol afterwards. And there we go. In this little clip you can see my right hand is much glossier than my left hand. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and my tips and tricks of how to get them to last longer. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any other kind of nail videos that you'd like to see or nail tutorials. I'm kind of looking into getting some polygel to try out, just to try and do my own nail extensions, and maybe do some nail art as well.